For our project day today, there are up to 3 mini projects for you to do. I say up to 3 mini projects for you to do because you should just do the first 2 mini projects. Those 2 are compulsory. And then the third project is an optional extension, which you can do if you have time. Now, project 1 is for you to be able to describe how stress affects different parts of the body. For the first part of project 1, you simply need to read the slide on how stress affects the brain. You then have to move on to the second part of project 1, in which you watch the brain pop video about stress and then complete the quiz. Once you've done this, write down 2 interesting facts that you've learned about stress and how it affects our bodies and possible ways that we can relieve this stress. The final part of project 1 requires you to write down 1 stress symptom associated with each body part. So the first 2 body parts, the stomach and legs, have been done for you. For example, with the stomach, you can get the sensation of butterflies, and with the legs, they can become wobbly or shake due to stress. In project 2, you're going to read a really interesting article about a 26-year-old man who stayed awake for almost 2 weeks so that he could watch every single European Championship game live. Then you'll watch a video which explains in more detail the importance of sleep for a healthy mind and a healthy body. And once you've read the article and watched the video, the second part of project 2 is to answer 3 questions related to the article and the video. For the final part of project 2, you're going to create what's called an infographic to explain about the benefits of sleep. This simply means that you're going to put together a collection of images and charts with minimal text, which could be put on display to give people a quick and clear overview of why sleep is so important. My strong recommendation on this part of the project is to look examples online of other engaging infographics to use for your inspiration. So that's project 1 and project 2. As I mentioned, if you manage to complete the first 2 projects to a high standard and you'd like an extension activity, you can also do project 3. But remember, project 3 is optional. For this project, you'll be learning about the state known as mindfulness, which is all about having present moment awareness, which can help you remain calm, and focused, which of course is a brilliant state to be in if you want to benefit your learning. For this first part of the project, you'll watch the brain pop video and then you'll complete the quiz. Once you've done those 2 things, you should write in your own words a definition of mindfulness and 2 interesting facts about mindfulness that you've learned. For the second part of project 3, you can actually have a go at the guided meditation practice by making sure you're free from distractions and you're playing that guided meditation practice YouTube video. Lastly, you may wish to create a poster that outlines the benefits of mindfulness and explains to people how they can become more mindful. Once you've finished the poster, you should take a photograph of it, upload it to your Google Drive and insert it onto the last slide. This is your last project. I hope you've really enjoyed learning about the brain and different ways that you can help your brain to benefit your own learning.